Hello everybody. Today I've got a review for you guys. This is a 4-bank battery charger, and the reason I bought it was because I recently got a Lowrider and it has 6 batteries for the hydraulics in the rear, and I don't have any good way of charging those batteries efficiently. So I started doing my research online, and I didn't find a whole lot of chargers that I would I thought would be good for the job until I ran into this one. This one's kind of obscure. That's why I want to do a quick review on it. There are other models that are capable of charging 3 and 4 batteries at a time, and I've heard complaints that that's not always the best thing because they don't really charge evenly, and many guys end up, they'll charge 3 at a time, then they'll go and hit each battery individually. So that's what I really like about this. This is already set up with 4 individual banks for 6 to 12 volts per bank. And what it is the DSR Industrial Series INC-406A. And this was shipped to me right around the $200 price point, which I think is pretty good for being able to charge 4 batteries simultaneously. So let's talk about what it comes with. The packaging was real generic, so I'm not going to do an unboxing. It comes with an owner's manual, real short and sweet, on warnings and how to operate it, which is fairly simple. It comes with 2 mounting brackets. You can mount it to the wall or something else, whatever you prefer there. And then it comes with 4 sets of charging cables. And these are 14 gauge, and as you can see, they're not insulated here on the clamps. It would be nice to have the fancier clamps where they're insulated, but that probably would add cost to this unit. So it is what it is. These will work perfectly fine, and it also says that it has shortage protection. So if you accidentally short them out or short something to ground or whatever it may be, it's supposed to have circuitry inside here to accommodate for that. So you get 4 sets of those, which is perfect for the 4 separate banks. And you also get a fairly long power cord. It's about, I don't know, maybe 6 to 8 feet, it says in the specs when you look it up. So let's take a look at the control panel, the front of this. Alright, so here's a closer look at this. We've got an illuminated on-off switch. Battery type for each bank are these 4 push buttons, and those are the only buttons and switches on the unit. We've got indication of whether we're on 12 volt or 6 volt, charging 6 volt or 12 volt battery, connected, charging, charged, red, yellow, green, and check battery is a red LED. And that goes for all 4 banks. When we open these up, it's impossible to get the polarity incorrect, and the cables, you can see they only go in one way. I got a little bit of glare there, but there you can read the steps on how to operate it. They're printed right on the front. So let's go hook this up to some batteries and see what it does. Okay, so I've got everything hooked up. I'm going to charge 3 batteries, so I only hooked up 3 cables. Haven't powered it on yet. Pay no attention to the mess that's back here. This is all getting redone, but for the purpose of this video, there you can see all the clamps, positive and negative for each bank. I'm going to do 3 batteries, and then I'll switch over to these ones and do these 3 later. Let's fire it up and see what happens. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and plug this in and turn the on switch, or the on-off switch, into the on position. And there we go. And there, I don't know if you heard that click, but those 3 banks started charging. 12 volts for each battery. Each battery is connected, and each of the 3 batteries is charging. So that's excellent. And those LEDs are real bright. There's a little bit of a hum, but it's not bad at all. I think this charger is the way to go. Should do the job. We'll see how long it takes to top off these batteries. They weren't completely dead, and we'll check back with you here in a bit. Alright, I'm filming this a couple weeks after that last footage you saw. I've been using this and it works really good. You can see here that the green lights are now on, and the 3 batteries in here are charged. So if you have any need to charge multiple batteries, I think this charger is definitely the way to go. Like I said, it charges each one individually, so pretty good stuff. Thanks for watching.